Hi guys! I have here again another toy to showcase. This is the box of the toy. See, this is the box of the toy. So, this is the toy, guys. It's beautiful, the toys. And you can see, you can put a battery here so that it will make a sound. So, if you don't like battery, this is how it used to be. You can pop this up, then press this. Oh, beautiful, right? Beautiful. That is the toy. And this is a stress reliever. It is suitable for the child to play with this, the mom, the adult, the workers, and the good of this, the benefits you can get, of course, stress reliever, and you can also play with this with your kids.